Welcome to the 21st edition of NEFCON 2026. We are live from New Delhi and today we are joined by Mr. Ranjit Singh from CredAble. How are you, sir?
Thank you. I'm fine.
So, my question to you is what role does technology play in your roadmap for the next phase of NBFC growth?
Yeah, so I think as far as our organization is concerned, we are combination of software platform developer where we develop these for banks and corporates, as well as a lending operation where we lend working capital to small and medium enterprises as well as startups. Um, Regarding the use of technology and how do we see the way going ahead, I think we are at a stage where we've realized that we will increasingly need to adopt technology to transform the economics of our business. When I say the economics of the lending business, what I really mean is that we can now, with the availability of AI and the ability to deploy large computing power at scale, as well as the entire ecosystem that is developing around us in terms of fintechs, uh, we can potentially uh, reduce the origination and the underwriting cost, the cost of fulfillment of a loan. Uh, uh, at the same time, there is a lot of uh, there's a significant section of the market to whom we can't lend because of complexity. So very often we don't just reject deals because they are we don't like the borrower, but very often the data is too complex. There's a lot of unknowns out there, uh, and what I feel is that if we deploy technology well going ahead, now the tools are available for us to be able to address that segment of the market and thereby also grow the opportunity for ourselves. So this is what I mean when I say that this can fundamentally change the economics of our business. Um, uh, in terms of where we would deploy technology, I think there are many exciting use cases. There are many use cases within underwriting in terms of analyzing the financial statements coming from borrowers, from the bank statements, in terms of putting together reports from alternate sources of data such as GST, looking at transaction trends, looking at patterns uh, around cash flows, etc. So a lot of those will, which require a lot of intensive analysis and qualitative judgment. We can do a much better job and deploy technology at scale to be able to underwrite our loans going ahead. So that's really, I think, the exciting part of what lies ahead as far as I'm concerned.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights.